Divergent thinking refers to the process of generating multiple possible solutions or ideas stemming from a single starting point. It is a thought process that explores many different directions simultaneously, with no single correct answer or path. This mode of thinking is in contrast to convergent thinking, which we'll discuss later in this video. The term divergent thinking was coined in the 1950s by psychologist J.P. Guilford, who proposed a model distinguishing between convergent and divergent production. To understand divergent thinking, it's helpful to compare it to convergent thinking. On the one hand, convergent thinking follows a logical linear approach to arrive at one best solution. Divergent thinking, on the other hand, branches off in different directions to explore multiple possibilities. Convergent thinking may be better suited for tasks with clear parameters, like mathematical problems or recalling factual information. Divergent thinking excels for open-ended tasks without a single correct answer, such as brainstorming, creative writing, or strategic planning. Don't be mistaken into thinking you need to choose one mode or the other. In fact, the two modes of thinking are complementary. We apply convergent thinking to analyze and refine divergent ideas. Divergent thinking has several key characteristics. First, it generates a large quantity of ideas without initially judging their merit or feasibility. The broad exploration allows for unexpected connections and associations. Second, divergent thinking values unique, unconventional responses rather than standard or obvious solutions. Originality and novelty are prized. Third, flexibility and fluency are prioritized over precision. The fluidity of thought can abruptly shift direction. And fourth, divergent thinking thrives on curiosity, imagination, and suspending disbelief about improbable ideas. We can find examples of divergent thinking across many domains. In the arts, visual artists or writers engage in divergent thinking to develop unique styles, subjects, or metaphors that move beyond conventions. In business, market researchers or entrepreneurs utilize divergent thinking to envision new products, branding strategies, or unmet customer needs. Scientists frequently rely on divergent thinking to formulate initial hypotheses, experimental designs, or theoretical models that challenge assumptions. And in education, teachers foster divergent thinking in students through open-ended questions, creative projects, and thought experiments that promote flexible thinking. If you're looking for a deeper dive into divergent thinking, I recommend reading the article on my website on this topic. I've left a link to it in the pinned comment. If you want to watch a video on convergent thinking to learn more about that, click the video on the screen now.